Hi everyone, thank you for watching Drew's Corner and welcome back again for another episode of Video Tutorial. And today, as promised, I will be continuing my tutorial on how to provide a schedule or a premiere on your video. So last natin na episode was on how to put a video elements on your upload. So as you can see, nandiyan, nakita nyo na, diba? So continuation lang ito. So next one is visibility. Okay, visibility na tayo. There are other options on how to make or how to publish your videos. So you have save or publish, private, unlisted, public, and then set as an instant premiere. For me, I don't recommend private. I don't recommend unlisted. What I recommend is public, but not set as instant premiere. For me, if you want to set as if you want that to set as an instant premiere, well, you know, that's really your call. But for me, ayoko siya kasi hindi naman ganun kadami yung mga viewers ko lagi para laging mag-set as instant premiere. But you know, who knows, diba? One day. So, ituturo ko sa inyo on how to set a schedule, a premiere rather. So now, nandyan lang siya. Pag nasa visibility na, punta lang kayo sa baba, you see schedule. Okay, ayan. So for example, this video that I will be premiering would be, for example, tomorrow. Let's see, diba? Or today. Pwede din today, but there are certain hours niyan, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng 1 AM kasi tapos na yan, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng so merong mga hours kang titignan. But hindi ko pa na-try na mag-change ng up to last minute ng premiere ko. Ang sabi nila is like 15 minutes or 30 minutes para meron kang time for you to change your premiere. So for example, that you want to upload that or you want to set that as premiere on the 10th, which is tomorrow, or I mean the following day, kung gusto nyo. So, kung gusto nyo, kung Manila time, so for example, ang lagi nyong schedule ay every 5 PM, ganyan. And then ako kasi naninigurado ako na tama yung time zone na ko. So I will be following the Manila time zone. Actually, kahit naman hindi na may nakita naman ako na hindi na kailangan. Pero ako just want to make sure. I always set that as GMT Manila +8. GMT +8, which is Manila. So set as premiere. Ayan. So sabi dito, a public watch page will be created. It'll show a countdown to this date. So diba, every time na may upload tayo and then naka-schedule or naka-premiere siya, meron yung countdown before mag-gather lahat ng mga tao doon sa premiere mo. So before you click the schedule, make sure that all the details has been properly done. Monetization kung naka-on, video elements kung tapos na, and then visibility. Ito yung pinaka-last kasi once na meron kang mamali, once na meron kang nakulangan or nalagyan, you know, you just have to re-upload it. And then most of the time, ako bago ko ini-schedule, bago ko pinipress ang schedule, I press muna yung play para makita ko talaga na nag-upload siya lahat. But for now, I will not show to you because it is just only a sample. So now that it has been already finished processing, I will schedule that one. Yan. So click mo lang ang schedule and then it will ask you save your video as private or unlisted. So save your video as private or unlisted to ensure it is suitable for ads before you publish. This may help you maximize your revenue. To find the result of the ad suitability check, go to your list of videos and look at your video's monetization status. Yun. So change visibility, published anyway. The reason behind for this is that YouTube can have more time to put the ads on your video kasi once that you will publish it right away, lalo na sa mga monetized dyan, once you publish it right away, hindi agad nagkakaroon ng ads because YouTube is still checking what's the suitable ads for that video itself. Okay, and if it is from what country, unlike pag nakaset as premiere siya, YT can still have enough time for them to check what ads that they can put it on your video. Okay, so right now we will just have to publish it anyway, and then once it's done, then it should show like this one, premiere. Pag wala yung premiere, that means it failed. Kasi sometimes may mga issues si YT na nag-fail yung pag-premiere niya. So instead na sinet mo as premiere pero biglang nag-publish siya. I experienced that one before. Okay, so it will show you your video premiere will be on June, blah blah blah. And then there's a share link if you want to share it anywhere. You have many options. Usually it's in Facebook and in Twitter, Blogger, and so on. And this is the video link. Just copy that one. That's a copy video link. If you want that to share to your friends, go ahead and share that one. And then you close that. Once it's done, it will show you this video. So as you can see, diba, may monetization on na siya. But in some cases, meron pong in some cases hindi agad nagsho-show yung video. I mean yung ads kasi tinitignan pa ni YT kung ano yung mga ads na pwede doon sa video. Alright, so one more thing. For example, that you wanted to make some changes up to the last minute, this is where you will go. So yung visibility, premiere, merong drop down dyan, and then just click it and then publish. I mean, no, not publish, but schedule. Change the date, change the time, and then what time zone. Okay, yan, local time. Naka-local time na siya. So, ayun, kung ayaw nyo i-set as premiere din, i-uncheck nyo as, i-uncheck nyo yung set as premiere. But if you think that it's all said and done, it's ready for it to be premiered, then just hit cancel and then just wait for the day and time that will be scheduled for premiere. Okay, so ganun lang siya, guys. There are a lot of items pa that I really wanted to show and really wanted to share with you guys on how really to be more on how to work on with our YT channel, because then again, our YT is our brand. I mean, we are the brand of our channel, so we really have to make sure that we are taking care of it. We have to make sure as well that all of the videos are necessary, and then talagang lahat ay nakikita ng mga tao na once na ma-upload natin, automatically makita nila yon. Wag lang yung basta upload lang tayo. We also need to think if it's talagang ka-upload ba, or talagang tawag nito, pwede talaga siya na ma-upload. But then again, I don't have the right to say that because it's your channel. But for me, that's how I treat my channel. Kasi we have to treat this as our own. May ownership dapat. So same way with this one, meron akong premiere today. Not today, but once you see this video, hindi na siya premiered, no? Pero meron akong premiere as of June 9, and then tingnan akong tingin sa oras kasi by 5 p.m. pre-premiere na siya, so I have to be there as well. So yun lang, guys. So if you have any comments or suggestions that you wanted me to share to you, just comment down below, and then I'll read all your comments, okay, if it's amenable for me to be able to also to have a tutorial video on it. Okay, so if you wanted to see more of my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, if you want to know more and be updated, don't forget to hit the notification bell. So see you on the road. Bye.
Hi there! If you want to see more of my episodes and other featured videos, just check these videos, including this episode. See ya! Bye!